Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to expand this one and we have x squared minus 2x plus x squared. Next I will put x squared go in here. Next this one divide by this one, we have number 1. Next we need to concentrate on this one. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to x squared plus x squared. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, this one we have 2x, this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0, and now we have like this. This one we change by u, 2x dx we change by du. The integration of this one, we have negative 8 ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one, and I will put about c in here. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of number 1, that is about x. The integration of this one, that is about this one, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.